day, everyone. It is your boy Jai back with another video. Today we'll be doing a storm video part 4. But before we get into the video, make sure y'all comment down below, like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll drop down another banger. Y'all, I am tracking a thunderstorm right now. So if you look over there, you can see the clouds are forming. And over that side, it looks clear, but on that side, ooh. It just got real dark. Oh no. And y'all, the rain is coming down real bad, so we're about to... Yeah, y'all. The rain's coming down bad. It's raining. Feel it? You can feel the rain. It's raining. It's raining. Jared! Oh God! Oh my gosh! Bro! Oh! Oh my God! That was a close one! Whoa! What happened? Bro, it just started raining, bro! It's raining! Y'all, the rain is coming down. It's raining. Bro, look at my hair, bro. My hair is wet. What do you mean? It's just the rain. Oh. Well, y'all, the rain is coming down. And it's raining. It's actually raining. It's raining, guys. It's raining. See? It's raining. See the rain? Right over there. It's raining. You can tell it's raining. Guys, we did not know it was about to rain, bro. It started raining hard, bro. The rain actually feels good. Yeah, but if you stay in the rain, you'll catch a cold. Get out of the rain. Oh my God. Yo, it started. The heavy rain just began. Is this light rain, y'all? It's raining? It's just light rain. Light rain? Oh, it's finna start some heavy rain. Look. We're about to see some lightning over there. Lightning? I don't see no lightning. It just... Yo. Wow. See, y'all, it was just light rain. Still, I'm scared of the light rain. Oh, you'll be scared of the heavy rain? Okay, I'm finna go down there. No, don't go down there, bro. You can't go down there. Jesus. Bro, I did not know Wednesday was gonna be like this. Yeah, Wednesday is gonna be like that. Oh, ain't no freaking way. Yep. I'm about to put these headphones up. Gosh. Bro, I did not know. Bro, it's raining. Oh my gosh. Bro, it's actually raining. No, no! Alright guys, we might not be able to record this all the time because the video is about to just stop. So apparently, yeah, it's gonna stop. But anyway, y'all, that is the end of this video. Make sure y'all comment out. Don't you end it. Fine. I won't end it. Good. Then don't.